how to add debit card to Microsoft account. But before that, if you don't know what is Microsoft, it is a multinational technology company best known for developing software, hardware, and cloud services that empower a wide range of digital devices and infrastructures. So now all you need to do is to simply go to this account.microsoft.com and you will be directed on this page. And after that, from here, just click the sign in button to sign in your Microsoft account. After that, you will be directed on this page and just proceed by go to the left side panel. And in here, kindly click this payment options button. So to successfully add here a debit card, from here, it will show you under this manage your payments option, this add payment method button. By clicking this one, it will show you on the right side panel to choose to your location and also kind of click this credit card or debit card. By doing so, you should be able to see here on the right side panel that you can simply enter your credit card holder name, your card number, expiration date and year, your CVV or security code, your address, city, and many more. And after that, you could also click the save button once you're now done adding your debit card number or details. Then you should be able to add it successfully your debit card in here and it will show you under the payment options. And overall, that is just basically how you can add a debit card to Microsoft account.